Exclusive airline crashes forces Airbus to consider A320 output cuts. Police Reuters. Airbus is starting a sharp cut in output of its top-selling A320 plane series amid an industry-wide slowdown triggered by the coronavirus crisis, sources familiar with the matter said. Europe's leading plane maker is examining scenarios including cutting its monthly output of 60 A320 family jets by as much as half for around 3 to 6 months as airlines scramble to save cash, two of the sources told Reuters. Airbus (ARPA) has asked a 320 parts suppliers to slow their deliveries to its factories by 40% to a rate compatible with production of 36 jets a month in the near term, one source said. The coronavirus crisis has blindsided airlines and plane makers, prompting bailouts and drastic revisions. Airbus additionally faces shortages in its own supply chain as it struggles to bring production back up to previous level after pausing activity in several factories. Airbus, which last month suspended its near-term 2020 delivery guidance, entered the coronavirus crisis with plans to increase A320 family production to 63 a month in 2021 and to add a further 1 to 2 planes per month on both 2022 and 2023. Those plans have been shelved, the sources said. Airbus said as it was closely monitoring the evolving COVID-19 situation worldwide, and it is in constant dialogue with customers, suppliers, and institutional partners. The plane maker added it was assessing the implications of the pandemic on its operations and the potential mitigation measures that could be implemented.